And let's choose Breeze. What is this place? Template. What is this? Okay. What are we doing here? No, but we're gonna wait for some seconds. Where am I? Oh. Where are we here? Look, in the middle of the sky. Look. He's gonna blow. I don't know where he is. Do you see anybody there? What are you doing? I'm gonna do a reset and let's do it again. Play. Where are we going to choose? Let's choose play. Choose bridge. Why is gonna wait from the others? I don't know. This is because there is anybody there. Let's use another place. I don't know where am I. I'm not sure. What is it? I don't know. I don't know, where am I? I don't know. It's not responding. Okay, why is that? Viewing platform. What is this? Where the fuck am I? Goes and goes, goes and goes. Where's this? Let's choose both. There's one and then the other ones. What does it have? Let's play another game. This, I don't know what does it have, but launching game. No, this is opening. Let's play the other one. Let's go and win this game, and then we're gonna see it. Win this game, and win this game, and win this game. Open. Please open, because I want to play, to win, to do the others losers, because they are losers. They are losers, and there will be losers in the future. Do you understand me, my guy? It's the time 11:08 here in Albania.